So in this video, we're going to get straight to it. Basically, I'm going to show you how much profit we're making from a budget of 1,814 US dollars. We're going to show you daily, monthly, weekly, and how long that it took to get to it. So we've put it in Excel here. We've got a few things on here, but basically what we're showing you here is profit daily is $40.87. That is my current average daily. So if you can see here, I'm spending $36.83. I'm getting an average cashback every day of $77.70. So our weekly expected profit is obviously just going to be our profit times by 7. Monthly, that times 30. Yearly, 12 months in a year. And so you can see monthly we're making $1,226.10 profit. Not just cash back, but profit. As you can see here, it's going to take us just over 44 days to make back our initial investment of profit. So it's actually going to take less time to make our initial investment back. We can actually do that now. Time to make $1,814 cashback equals 1814 divided by our 77.7. So it's going to take us 23 days to actually get to that cashback value of 1814, and then obviously profit is a different thing, so it's going to take us just over 6 weeks to make profit of $1,814, where we can take that out and then have our initial investment of 1,814 and just leave that in there. So basically what this is showing you is how quickly it's going to take to double our investment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you join our Discord. It's only new. Only got a few people in there, and ask any questions you want and I will reply as soon as possible there.